How to upload video from Google Drive to YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To do that, firstly open Google Drive on your device and then open the video that you want to upload in YouTube directly. Once open, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and then tap on the Send a Copy option you see there in the menu. In the interface that you will then be led to, go ahead and navigate to the YouTube option and you see there. Once tapped, simply wait for the video to be exported and you can then go ahead and edit the video and trim the video if required and tap on next. You can also add in music or you can add in pictures, text, or whatever changes that you want to do. Once you are done making the required changes, simply tap on next and then go ahead and add in title and description if required, and finally tap on the upload button you see there, and with this your video will be uploaded. So this was about how you can upload video from Google Drive to YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.